Hello, I'm Rob Hayes, Senior Economist at Infometrics, and in this video I will introduce you to our Regional Economic Profile Interactive Dashboard, or REP. I will explain how to access the REP, outline its purpose, show you how to navigate through its various sections, provide an overview of the data it contains, and walk you through the functionality of the interactive dashboard. This video will be of interest to any of our new REP clients, existing clients who've not used the REP for a while, or potential clients who want a taster of what the REP can provide for them. The REP was developed to provide detailed data insights into a region's population, economy and labour market. Users of the REP include district and regional councils and tertiary education providers. The REP is a subscription product. Let's assume that your business has an annual subscription. To access the REP, you need to be set up with a username and a password. Any of the staff at Infometrics can help you with this. So, you have your login details. Go to the Infometrics website at infometrics.co.nz and click on Member Login in the top right. This will take you to the login page. Enter your username and your password and click Login. This will take you to the Infometrics portal welcome page. Click on Regional Economic Profile under My Products in the bottom left. The REP is organised as a set of tabs running left to right across the top of the screen. The name of each tab corresponds to the information it contains. Economy, which is GDP or economic activity. Employment. Productivity, which is GDP per filled job. Population. We have a tab devoted to a range of data about MARE. Businesses, which is business unit numbers. Small areas, which is population, GDP and employment data for sub-regions within territorial authorities. Living standard, skills, tourism. The Reports tab is where you can download PDF reports and infographics. Well-being and the Toolkit. The Toolkit tab is for premium subscribers and enables you to download large quantities of data from the REP. This is explained in a separate video. We also have a set of videos that give you a better understanding of how to interpret and use the data on each of these tabs. The remainder of this video will be devoted to explaining the ways you can interact with the REP dashboard. Start by choosing your area of interest from the drop-down box in the top right and pressing Go. Clicking on any of the tabs will bring up the overview page for that tab, as well as a sub-menu. Let's look at employment. You can see there are a number of items in the sub-menu. Clicking on each gives you a different dashboard with different data. Each of the dashboards is made up of charts and tables which are accompanied by explanatory text. The dashboards all have similar functionality. Let's look at structure. This tells you about the industries that make up your local economy. There is text at the top of the screen explaining what the data on this page is showing you. Clicking on these eye icons will open up a new screen which has definitions of all the economic terminology used in the text. There are drop-down boxes above charts and tables that enable you to change the comparison region. Click on the arrow, choose a region, and then click the Update button. Some charts also allow you to change the time frames in the same way. If you hover your pointer over the bars or lines in a chart, it brings up information about that data point. There's a small icon in the top right of each chart. Clicking on it allows you to download the chart image as a JPEG file, a PDF file, or a SVG file. You can also download the data presented in the chart into a CSV file, which can be used in applications such as Excel. Let's look at tables now. In many of the tables, you can click on Level or Share of Total to sort the data highest to lowest or lowest to highest. There's also a button at the bottom of each table called Download Table Data. Clicking on this button allows you to download the table data into a CSV file. That should help you get started with the REP. If you need any further help, please contact one of our economists.